Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Tangent line approximations can be tricky, but we can solve this quickly by looking at the concavity of the function on the given interval. A tangent line approximation underestimates the actual value when the graph of the function lies entirely above the tangent line. This specific geometric behavior occurs whenever the function is concave up.
Since concavity is determined by the second derivative, we need the second derivative to be positive. This must hold true over the entire interval from the point to the approximation value.
Option D provides the necessary condition because it ensures the function remains concave up between 1 and 1.2. You nailed this calculus problem.
Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs to avoid a rush. Trust given info and check steps.